Yes, my people, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. We're an experienced and certified detective about educated with facts and not hyperbole for the government or its minions. Why I'm telling you, sir, why we're living in a different time and a different era. You understand? I used to station at Unspe and don't know this brother Dexta Dapps, I know Shabarang's bounty killer personally. And I cannot say anything bad about these two artists. But I know Dexta Dapps, as a youth I come from in the ghetto. You don't know when I get to there certain things that's unacceptable. Nobody in the ghetto don't appreciate it or support it. But it's there. So I know that, Dexta Dapps seem like, like a gallus and them thing. Everywhere he has performed, he always hear some little controversy and them thing there with the and women and doing various things. We know that's how our artists always behave. But boy, this one is different. The thing is that now, Dexta Dapps is one of those artists where every woman can just jump up on stage and wind up on him. He's not like the bounty killers and the Shabarang time when they are performing. Nobody can come perform with them and them thing they can put on the show. You understand? Because that's how these men are, because they know that these men who in their head purporting themselves to be women, they know that these people attend their show. So because of that, these artists have been careful for years. Because Rasta always, the Rastas always tell them that Babylon use them brain because them still have the shackle upon the black man brain. So don't get confused and don't get sidetracked. But men like Dexta Dapps, boy, apparently him thinks he's gangster and the rule does not apply to him. So here is this man now. I am telling you, I know wherever Dexta Dapps is right now, boy, him supposed to feel like that. Boy, I don't even know, because looking at this video, how this man, the man with him big, thing. I wind up on the man and I'll get the man, I'll sit down upon it. I tell you, Rasta, the man rifle, rifle. I pay gashing and all them things upon the stage, And boy, I don't know if Dexta Dapps did know says is a man in my dancing, purporting himself to be a woman. But boy, me can't say I enjoy it and all them things. I don't know, You understand? But I'm to clarify this in a Rasta. Because a serious thing, this believe you me. And maybe through a LGBT, June LGBTQ plus month, maybe I celebrate, some kind of these guys, you don't even know, So I want you to check out this video and them thing there with this brother I go out with, Dexta Dapps and him dancing part, the way him a wine pan and him a give the man some dirty wine. Believe you me. Just check it out. Yeah, man, boy. Hey, you saw the man. Hey, me I tell you, you saw them people. They're evil, Watch the brother. You see the brother thing, man. Curl right hand, And look how the man depend the man, and I go on. And Dexta Dapps, boy, I don't know. It's like him not supposed to know that. Boy, I don't know. Although him not supposed to know, so boy, something feel different. That's a Rasta. Cause you're supposed to know. You understand what I'm saying? How a woman vagina feel, you understand? And you understand? So you tell me say the man depend the man and the man not even know say it's a man that and them thing there. And realize the boy and the team have no breast. The man that, you understand what I'm saying? You just make man jump up on this one and all them thing there. I cannot eat that business that. Boy, hey. No man, hey, this is a serious something, Serious thing. But, you see, because most Jamaicans do not read, they don't understand what is happening in this world, in the 21st, in 2022. You understand? It's not like when I was growing up, a person dressing like a girl is a girl. We're living in a different environment. We're confused, and it's the order of the day. Remember, the Rasta used to warn us, even I'll keep it until we do song and say that, about the confusion that's coming and everything, because black people are sleeping. So them now go realize what happened on them thing because until them back against the wall, them time it's too late. Because once you're back against the wall, you can't get it. Because it's like you're on, you're on the firing squad. So any move you move, now you're dead. You understand? They're gonna kill you. You understand? So the bottom line is that now, a man that see a woman now in 2022 moving forward, you cannot just say because the person look like a woman, behave like a woman, talk like a woman, is a woman. You understand? So that's the first question now, that men has to be asking now, are you a woman by birth? Not what you think in your head, by birth. You understand? Because the media, the media is one of your biggest enemy, the biggest enemies of the people around the world. You understand? Especially, I was reading. I'm a person who loves to read, so I was reading in the Navy Times. The Navy Times, I don't know if civilian can access it and anything, but just type in the Navy Times and search sailor kill transgender. So this is a white man, went to the Philippines. The Navy we have station in the Philippines because the Philippines used to be a U.S. territory, and then the Muslim there, so they want independence, and the U.S. military fought them for years, and with us it's not beneficial to America because America, it's more straining the American economy than anything because there's nothing there but zinc fence and all those things. So America gave them back them, their territory. So the Philippines became independent. And guess what? So this sailor now, he was there, stationed there, and saw this man who dressed like a woman, and he did not know it was a man. You understand? And is a white man, this, you understand, and he kiss up the man and all kind of thing, but they are very, very deceiving, so they do not let the man touch certain part of their body, like the breasts and right down there, and anytime, you understand what I'm saying, anytime the man is going for the vagina, where the vagina is the backs of the hand, and because they don't want to be too aggressive because the next thing you end up they say it's indecent assault and stuff like that. So the sailor and the transgender went into the hotel and all kind of thing, and the white man get hard like a rock, and when the transgender ready, the transgender take off him G-string and open up him body. Yes, open up him body, and I tell the white man to come in there. You understand that I am rectum, the anus, where excretion of waste material. And guess what? The white man, the white man, I must say about 800 stab him, give the man and kill him, and left the body inside of the hotel and them thing there. And days after that, them find him and charge him. I don't see anything else about the case because the white man parents is claiming that is not self-defense, but that is psychological torture and terrorism because their son their son is not attracted to man, and our man go open up him body for him son come put him penis in it and them thing, and they are not into that, and they should not charge him because it's the man who is the son killed, the sailor killed, is responsible for his death because he's the one that pretend that he's a woman and his son wouldn't know. And for their son to kiss our next man, it's disgusting. And so I don't see anything else in the press about it. So I don't know if they convicted him or if he was acquitted. And it happened to another sailor again in Mississippi. And it's a thing that happened in Philadelphia a few times. And this is what I understand, where men pretending to be women. So they call them transgender. So they're talking about violence against transgender. This is what they have been doing to men who are attracted to women. You understand? And they are protected, but the men are not protected. Imagine a man attack to a woman and for some reason didn't even realize that is a man they are talking to. Kissing this man and all that. And when at the time you realize it's a man you're kissing, you thought it's a woman. No man, hey, that will blow in a man's fuse, man. So there's supposed to be a law that protect the men who are being stalked for these kind of behavior, because no man is supposed to kiss the next man without your consent and them thing, because that is fraud. But hey, guess what? They have the biggest and loudest voice, So boy, I don't know what to say to Dexta Dapps, but boy, Virgin, I know say that must be wicked for you, believe you me. You understand? Why, hey, boy, a different world we live in. You understand? As it said, not because somebody look like a woman, talk like a woman, walk like a woman, behave like a woman. He's a woman. A lot of men, a woman, no, because you hear them say, the only thing, a man can be a woman and a woman can be a man. A white man can be a woman and a black man can be a woman. But a white man cannot be a black man. Let me rephrase that. A white woman cannot be a black woman. A white man cannot be a black man. A white man can be a woman. A black man can be a woman. The black man can be a white man. Can him black. You understand what I'm saying? And the white man can be a black woman. I just saw it go. You understand? Different era, different thing, everything different. That's confusion. Thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. Remember to like and share the video. And most of all, subscribe to the channel. No cost not even a penny for join. You understand? You have more things in it. It's LGBTQ plus month this, You understand? So I try to give you most things, because we're going to tell you all about all Zeeks, one of the most dangerous Batman we have at Jamaica. And Bulby and all the Batman them at Jamaica, we kill people and them thing there. And them that are prisoner, nobody not do them nothing. So all the lie what them a tell us about Jamaica homophobic, we're going to show them say it's a lie them a tell you, understand? One love, cool.